good exhaust. So yeah, this will be the last time we see this car in its stock form. Stock wheels, stock height, stock exhaust. But while we're here, because we're first going to DNA Motorsports. DNA Motorsports do a lot of, how do I say, professional time attack racing cars, and they have some very, very good cars that they've set up and won. So these guys, when it comes to suspension and dialing it in, they know everything. So can't wait to take it to them, and I can't wait to show you guys the actual workshop. It's very nice, beautiful. Let me show you the price before we load it up. So, we've got the Black Series C28. We've got those. We've got the BC Racing RM. So, tiny bit more track-ish focused and street, nothing too crazy. Got those. Everything's loaded up, and now let's just head out. So it's the last time we see it with the stock wheels and suspension. So super keen. So we discussed pretty much what's going to happen. We're going to drop it to as much as we can, and if it's going to scrape, probably drill back, well not drill but sand back inside here to a certain extent, and then drop it as much as we can, keeping the stock tires for now. Yeah, should be good. So that's it, guys. It looks ridiculously good. Turned out even better than I thought. Wow. Fronts could use about another 8mm spacer out, but the rear's quite perfect. I could get a bit of camber out of it, but I'm happy with how the rears are. I might just spacer the fronts a bit, but it looks perfect. Like the color combination with the gray on the car, the red light, especially in this kind of like atmosphere, I guess you could call it. It looks so freaking good. I love it. We killed it. We did so good with the WRX. It's gonna look so nice next to the R34. All that's left really is just tomorrow. The stock exhausts are gone, so we're finally gonna get some sound out of the car. But that's about it for tonight, guys. We'll pick the video up tomorrow morning where we load everything up and get the new exhaust in. So super excited. Day 2. Today we are doing the exhaust kit. So the R400 Invidia exhaust. And yesterday, well, it's in this video too, but yesterday we did the wheels, coilovers, and wheel alignment. So the car actually drives amazing. The BC RMs, a bit more track focused, but honestly, they perform very good. It's not uncomfortable, it's very livable, and it has that sharpness to it. So there's no more body roll, and when I want to turn, the car turns. Also, the car's got a much lower center of gravity now, so it just feels like it handles in corners so much better. So now all that's missing is the exhaust, right? So the car from factory, if you guys are aware, literally sounds like nothing. I mean, there's a little bit of sound, but nothing. Not what a WRX, in my opinion, should sound like. So going for the Invidia R400 with the titanium tips. And normally I wouldn't do titanium tips. I just go for like a normal stainless steel like this. But I thought it's gonna really set the car off and give it just that little tint of color with all the shades. So yeah, trust guys, it's gonna look good. I think it's gonna be amazing. No, it's not focusing, but amazing. So yeah, we'll see if we can fit this box into the WRX, and if we can, then tried putting it in a way, a few different angles through the boot as well, but just the box is a bit too high. So I'm going to take the parts out individually and just lay him down, because I don't want to try squishing around and scratching too much on the interior. So I just take all the individual bits out and just put it in the back seat. Packed it up and we're heading down there now, and yeah, excited. So we're going to put the new exhaust on and new shift kit as well. We'll see if they have any parts in stock like a wing or front lip. We'll get that as well. So I'm gonna head out there now and I'll pick the camera up probably when the car's done. So see you guys soon. Peace. Sweet. So the Invidia R400 is installed, and man, the titanium looks so good. Like that there for the titanium. Now we just need like the pods and everything, but looks bloody amazing. We got as well, I can open this when we get back, but I got Cusco rear camber arms, just because how much my actual camber was out. Let me show you guys. Like, there's a fair bit of camber in the rear, which I don't want. So we did get the Cusco camber arms, which will also fix that. We'll get rid of a bit of that camber in the rear, and then yeah, should be sweet. But stock exhaust is in, and we're ready to go home. Like even cruising, just that rumble sound, so nice. Exhaust is almost in the passenger seat, but oh, that sounds way too good. Oh my god, I'm so happy about that. Wow. That was just a little pull. I'll strap up a GoPro soon. And then we'll do it like a nice POV drive as well. Like, it's a very, very clean sounding exhaust. It sounds almost OEM. But yeah, these. It's not drony at all as well. It's very nice, to be honest. There's not much rose I get to give it on, but like that, it adds such a nice sound to it. It's deep, but it's not annoying. Shifted a little bit there, but that's fine. The stock car, it's fun, but when you do your own little things to the car, that's when the car actually comes to life. Like, this is so much fun to drive now. There's so much emotion to the car. Man, the car is so alive now. I can't believe it. Subaru is doing injustice to this car by silencing all the exhaust sounds, but this sounds so good. Yeah, I'm just gonna park it here. Alright, so we'll start from the outside. The obvious one would be new C28s we did. These are 18 times 9.5 plus 35. We kept the OEM wheels just because I wasn't too sure how wide I can go, and I do want to space these out, so they do sit a bit in, which is fine for now. It's a bit low too, but I would want to maybe lift it up a bit more and do about 8mm spacer just to bring the wheels out a bit. But other than that, they look amazing. Literally no complaints. We did the BC Racing RM Coilovers, which is very good. Like, no complaints at all. They handle amazingly. They still extremely comfortable as well, and they hold the car together. Just, I don't know, I would recommend anyone, you know, for budget wise, the BC RMs are amazing. I mean, you can make them stiffer, harder, and the new technology in them are just A1, great. Yeah, moving over, so we've done the coilovers, wheels, alignment, which is a big factor. We went to DNA Motorsports and got the alignment, which this car now, even better than factory, it just handles so much better. And we got the Invidia R400 exhaust. Now, 100%, and if you're buying one of these WRX VBs, get an aftermarket exhaust. Being, for me, Invidia R400 just because it's the one I used, and I mean, you can't get any better. It's a nice deep sound. It's not obnoxious. It sounds like a WRX rumble when it's idling. Anything less could be kind of pointless. Anything more would be annoying, in my opinion. I don't know yet, but I feel like that's the best thing to do. But yeah, so we just did, oh yeah, and the actual shift kit for the WRX. the sound, the way that the car feels, and everything like that is very important to me. So when the shifting in the WRX from factory like wasn't good, it was very sloppy. So I knew straight away when I bought the car that I was going to get some sort of short shifter, or if there's a solution for it, I was going to get it. So I went for the Cobb stage 1 short shifting kit, which in my opinion completely changed the car now. Like, it's shorter throws and it's nice. Like, it's not too short where it feels like it's a race car, but it's the nice amount where it's livable, dailyable, and it just fixed the car like how it should have been from factory. So 1, 2, 3, it's nice and short, notchy, how it should have been from factory. But yeah, that's roughly about it, guys. I do of course want to continue building onto it, so I do want to get the STI kit and spoiler. I'm still contemplating, but I'm really thinking about it now. And yeah, next will be track days, go do some mountain roads, take this to events, and yeah, enjoy it. While we're still waiting on the 34, so I know all the wiring's getting done. I've been quite busy in the rain and everything, work, so I haven't been able to drop by it, but fingers crossed that should be ready in a few weeks. But yeah, this was a little put together, very busy 2 days, very eventful for the WRX. Gonna make a great everyday daily car. So yeah, that wraps about it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was something a bit different, but enjoyable. Had a lot of fun doing it, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this as well. Leaving a like and subscribe will mean again the world, and I'll catch you guys in the future video. Peace.